Hello and welcome to the course ASP.NET 6.0 Build Hands-on Web Projects. My name is Kaushik Chowdhury. I am the instructor of this course. I have a master's degree in computer science from AUT University, Auckland, New Zealand, accompanied by more than 15 years of commercial experience working in several assignments for companies in New Zealand, as well as tertiary teaching in New Zealand universities and polytechs. I have mentored and trained young and intelligent minds with the cutting-edge technologies that would enable them to launch themselves into a great career path in software development. Now, the screenshots of some excellent reviews of this course are shown here. Learn the creation of a web API in ASP.NET Core and its consumption by an MVC client through building these applications from scratch is one of the highlights of this course. This project is highly scalable for production purposes in real-life scenarios. The changes to the ASP.NET Core platform is very fast, and a new major version is being released by Microsoft every year. So I've been editing the course as and when required to keep the knowledge imparted through this curriculum updated and current. Are you a passionate software developer or an eager student of software with a passion for learning new cutting-edge technology products, desiring to find your way through this ever-evolving and new web framework? This course will allow you to use ASP.NET 6 professionally for creating web applications using all the three project templates: Razor Pages, Web API, and MVC. In this course, you will learn everything that is critical in ASP.NET 6. You will learn middleware, model binding, session and state management, and practical hands-on application with Razor Pages and MVC templates, and a demanding topic of creating your own web API with a real SQL database to perform CRUD operations. Also, you'd learn how to create the client MVC application within the same Visual Studio solution to consume the web API project created in another project within the same solution, and use of ADO.NET technology and stored procedure in a database for CRUD operations. Now, this course also includes a number of assignments, quizzes, and practice tests to self-assess learning. Downloadable code samples and links to external free resources are also available. Finally, a full refund within 30 days if not satisfied with the course. The course is designed for anyone aiming to switch over from Java, C++ background for professional or personal development. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and see you in the class.